In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset display color settings on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select settings. To open the settings window, here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Then you have to click on display. Then here you need to simply locate advanced display. Make sure to choose the right display from here. So if you are using any or multiple displays, choose the display from here and then click on the display adapter properties for your display. Now this window will appear, so click on the color management tab. Okay, click on the color management button. Now click on the advanced tab. Then here you'll find this option, change system defaults. Click on the advanced tab again and make sure to check mark this option, use Windows display calibration. Again, make sure to check this option, use the Windows display calibration, and then click on close and then close, apply, and then okay, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.